In these problems, we want to put the given equation into slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is your slope and b is your y-intercept. So I start with 3x minus 6y equals 12. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. This leaves me a negative 6y. I'm going to put that negative 3x first to kind of get it into that mx plus b form. And then 12 is positive, so I have a plus 12. I'm then dividing by negative 6. And when I divide by negative 6, I have to make sure I divide every term by negative 6. A negative 6 divided by a negative 6 is 1, so I have y equals. A negative 3 divided by a negative 6 is a positive 3/6, which then can be simplified to 1/2. And a positive 12 divided by a negative 6 would be a negative 2. So I have y equals 1/2 x minus 2. Getting this into slope-intercept form, I'm going to add 7x to both sides. So I have 2y minus 6 equals 7x. Then I'm going to add 6 to both sides. So I have 2y equals 7x plus 6. However, I can't have a 2y. I can only have y equals mx plus b for slope-intercept form. So I need to divide everything by 2, leaving me with y equals 7/2 x plus 3. To put this equation in slope-intercept form, I need to subtract 1/2 from both sides. That leaves me with negative 1/2 y equals x minus 1/2. Then I'm going to multiply everything by a negative 2. A negative 2 times a negative 1/2 is 1. But that negative 2 needs to be multiplied to all of the terms. So I have negative 2 times x is a negative 2x. Negative 2 times a negative 1/2 would be a positive 1. Therefore, I have y equals negative 2x plus 1.